What keeps me grounded is my team, because I realize that how important, I would be nowhere without them. I design and I guide them, but they guide me as well. So जब तक वो मेरे साथ नहीं होंगे, in collaboration काम नहीं करेंगे, I realize that I am nothing unless I have my wonderful craftsmen with me. Hello Dispatch, I am Fariha and I am the founder and owner of Interlace. This is basically primarily rattan-based products. We are actually working on modern designs and contemporary designs that fit into our contemporary interiors. We are actually a small team of few craftsmen and myself that work together in collaboration with each other. It started as a passion project. I am an architect by profession and I've done interiors also. That's my style. I like earthy materials and earthy tones and sustainable materials also. I wanted basically this for my own space once. So I got some furniture made and that was really shabbily made. It was not good at all. And I realized that there's a huge gap actually in terms of designs, and I've seen craftsmanship, but they needed to be trained actually. So that's when we started working with one of my karigars. Worked on Sundays because that's the only time he was free. And we sat the whole day in my drawing room working out designs and techniques. And then I realized that I also need to actually learn weaving because I need to understand the material itself. So थोड़ा सा उनको मैंने भी train किया और उन्होंने मुझे train किया. Chevron was the one that we worked out. That's still the most loved piece actually by people also. There are 2-3 markets, that renowned markets in Karachi actually, who do cane furniture, Sultanabad, and there's one at Clifton also. So wahin par gaye, I worked with they all know me because obviously initially we started with them. But then I wanted to actually, because they want to do more commercial work, they don't want to work on new designs and new pieces and they don't want to work out new things. I realized कि इस तरह नहीं मेरा काम चलेगा ना. So one of the karigar was actually willing to work closely with me. So that's when I told him to come over, and फिर उसके बाद initially it was one karigar. Now we have like cane के तो I think 7-8 हैं that we have on board. And we have some people working in frames बनाते हैं, welding वाले 3-4 वो हैं. Then we have painter, then we have different team. Not much, but alhamdulillah we have grown. Interlace is basically, it's not something that can easily be mass produced or something. It takes time. It is built slowly with love. We always say that no two pieces are alike, and when you buy something from us, it's like it's the character of the person who is building also into that piece. I think that is really, really important, and our clients also do understand this. Sometimes they don't, but it's very important to give, if it's a new piece, we have to make a sample, we have to perfect it before finalizing. Even if it's an already worked out design, it takes time to make. If I push the craftsman, I cannot promise quality actually. I don't want them to be hurrying into a piece. उसको time लगता है 5-6 घंटे एक piece बनाने में. अगर बड़ा, अगर एक नया और different piece है तो sometimes 2-2 दिन भी लग जाते हैं. We've just delivered नया नाज़माबाद पे, that were like 11 feet high pieces. So उसको एक हफ्ता एक piece बनाने में लग रहा था. So I couldn't push him कि जल्दी करो because उसकी quality खराब हो जाती है फिर. So we can't. So I think it's very important, and we take it slow by choice. We actually don't want to mass produce it, and very बहुत hurry नहीं करते हम लोग काम में. If we use crisp light like Edison, you can see a lot of shadows, but if you don't want many shadows, then you can use coated bulbs that give off diffuse light also. So it all depends upon the luminaire what you're using. But shadows create a very interesting texture to the space actually when the light is on.
ये बहुत बारीकी है इस काम में, आँखों में दर्द हो जाता है, ये आँखों का काम करते-करते सर में भी दर्द हो जाता है। बाकी ये कभी-कभी कुछ ऐसे डिज़ाइन आ जाते हैं कि जिससे वजह से गुस्सा आता है और सब्र करना पड़ता है। तो उसे बार-बार खोलना पड़ता है, बार-बार बनाना पड़ता है। मेरा नाम अवैध है, ये काम हम 4 साल से करते हुए आ रहा हूँ। मैं अपने वालिद साहब से सीखा था। वालिद साहब जो हैं वो अपने बचपन से करते हुए आ रहे हैं। उन्होंने उस्ताद से सीखा था, अपने नदीम उस्ताद से। और बाकी ये परियम इनके साथ हम लोग पिछले 5 साल से जुड़े हुए हैं। वालिद साहब तकरीबन 30-35 साल से ये करते आ रहे हैं अपने बचपन से ही। ये मार्केट में करते थे, सुल्तानाबाद हो गया और पंजाब चुरंगी पे इधर-उधर काम करते थे पापा कारखानों में। फिर उसके बाद पिछले 5 साल से परियम इनके साथ रेगुलर काम करते हुए आ रहे हैं। दादा जो थे हमारे वो इंडिया से सीख के आए थे, उन्होंने फिर वालिद साहब को सिखाया, फिर वालिद साहब ने मेरे को सिखाया। ये एक डिज़ाइन है, अभी डिज़ाइन है कि इसको बनाने में 4-5 घंटे लग जाते हैं। कभी-कभार कोई ऐसा डिज़ाइन दिया जाता है जिसको बनाने में पूरा दिन भी लग जाता है। ये पूरे कराची में इस डिज़ाइन और इस मटेरियल में, ये गोलगुदे में सिर्फ परियम ही काम करवा रही हैं और ये सारे इनके डिज़ाइन हैं। मटेरियल जैसे ये छड़ी होती है, बेंत होता है, गोलगुदा उसी में से ही बनता है और बाकी ये छड़ी में से ये सिंगल का तार भी निकलता है, सवा का तार भी, 1.5 का तार भी और डबल का तार भी। ये ख़ानदानी काम है हमारा, कोई एक ना एक ख़ानदान में सीखता है। अब्बा ने सीखा, उस अब्बा के बाद उन्होंने मेरे को सिखा दिया।
बहुत सारे आपको एक्सपेरिमेंटल पीसेस पड़े हुए मिलेंगे हमारे स्टोरेज में, जो कि कब मटेरियलाइज नहीं हो सके क्योंकि इट डिड नॉट वर्क आउट। दैट्स ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोसेस. So I think that's what interlace embodies. It's weaving, it's interlacing different characters, different things, different craftsmanship. Actually, I start early. We have a list of projects or objects that are going on. कुछ clients को वापस respond करना होता है. I do that. Unilever, I've already mentioned, that was my first project. I can't forget that because that was the first order and was the very big order and turned out alhamdulillah very nice. उसके बाद we've done खाड़ी कैंटीन के और उनके जितने भी outlets हैं वहाँ पर हमारी lights जाती हैं. And I like how it's a part, it's of their interior now. And उसके अलावा आर्टिस्टिक मिलिनियर का बहुत बड़ा स्केल का काम हुआ था. चारपाई लाइट जो हमने बनाई थी एक क्लाइंट के लिए, that was a wonderful client who wanted that for their interior space. Actually it was her house, but she wanted something different, so we designed that for her and it turned out really nice. It was very appreciated. When I started, we had karigars in Karachi, but not a lot of them. So I know how many karigars are there in Karachi. I have contacts of all of them. But actually, some of them are not ready to do experimental work. Most of them want to leave this work. At that time, because they had not, even my karigars, he had not trained his sons in the same work. So as he mentioned that he's learned this craft in past 4 years only, because they were very low paid. This was kind of a dying craft. They had the skill, but the designs were not contemporary. They were not something that could fit in our interiors and such. So after they've started, we pay them very well. We like really well, much better than the market. So they are mostly very loyal to me, most of my workers. He has trained his son also now, actually in the same field, and he also works for me. And sometimes his whole family is working because when there's workload, that's one of them. And then because of that, actually so many have started working in the same, new people have started coming in the same field, actually trying to learn the new art because they're paid well now. So I think that's something we're quite proud of.